So we're helping somebody get out of a car. Let me see. There he is. Are you serious? Like, really? You okay, hon? Can I? Okay, here. Here, wait, let me move this stuff. It's okay, let me move this stuff. Okay.
It's fine.
It's okay, here. It's so cold out there, honey. You can't stay out there. Here.
My car's, oh my God.
It's okay, your car, you can get your car out. Your car will be all right.
Put your legs in the car.
Yeah, put your legs in where you get warm, sweetheart. Okay? All right, there you go. There we go. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that.
I'm so sorry.
No, for what, hon? No, we're just glad you're okay. How long were you there?
Like 10 minutes.
Are you serious?